Good afternoon, children. So today we will start with the 10th chapter, that is life in the deserts. Now the word desert, if you close your eyes and just I say desert, think what is it? So you will see a camel, you will see sand everywhere, correct? That is the picture of desert. So basically deserts are nothing but lands full of sands, but not only sands, some deserts are lands full of gravels means pebbles, small stones, or it can be big rocks also, full of big mountains also made of rocks. Okay, so basically desert is a place which is an arid area means where you will not find people. Desert is an arid region which is having a climate very extreme, means daytime it will be very hot and nighttime it will be very cold, and you will find very scarce vegetation over there, means you will find plants grown very less over there, because in desert areas you don't get rainfall or you hardly get rainfall. Okay, so first and point clear is what is a desert. Desert is a arid area where the climates are extreme, very high or very low, and there is no much vegetable grown over there, correct? And you will find people also very less over there. Now and there is hardly any rainfall. Okay, no rainfall or very less rainfall, so people also you will find very less staying over those areas. Now we talk about the two types of deserts. One are the hot deserts and one are the cold desert. The hot desert, the largest hot desert is Sahara Desert, which is in North Africa, which is the largest hot desert, Sahara Desert, which is in North Africa. Okay, and how is the area, how big it is? It is 8.54 million square kilometer, so large it is. Okay, now there are 11 countries which share the boundary of this desert. Okay, so which are the neighbors of this desert, or the boundaries which Sahara Desert shares with? They are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tanzania, and Western Sahara. These all are the neighbors of 11 neighbors are there who are sharing the boundaries of Sahara Desert. Now as you see the picture, can you see the desert of, this is the Sahara Desert, what you can see? Full of sand, and see the rocky mountains also over there, big huge mountains full of stones. Okay, and you will not find any, hardly you can see one tree is there. What is this tree? No leaves, nothing, so hardly you find plants grown over there, correct? And the rocks, the surface of the rock means how heighted they are. Heights are all the way from, you can say, more than 2500 meter height. Okay, now we talk about the next point. See, this is the picture in South Africa. This is the place where Sahara Desert, and these are the neighboring 11 countries which share the part of Sahara Desert, the boundaries of Sahara Desert. Okay, now children, this is the scene now, but long years before, this Sahara was not a desert. This area was not a desert. Okay, it was full of greenery, and we found, like, see over here it is written, many animals, like, because there was a river flowing over there, animals like crocodile, elephant, lion, tiger, ostrich, sheep, cattle, even people were living over there. And the climate was also not such harsh. Okay, but because of the changing, the global warming and all, now you find it is totally a desert area, and it is very difficult to stay in such area. Now we talk about the climate. As I said, the climate is extreme, very hot during daytime and very cold during night time. Daytime it is 50 degrees Celsius, and during night it falls to 0 degree. Okay, and daytime it is where there is wind blow also. So though it is very hot, the scorching heat is there, we don't feel sweating, because the sweat is wiped away by the blowing winds. Though the winds blowing are hot, but it takes away our sweat. Okay, and Because it is a desert area, you will never find cloudy over there. It is always the sky is very clear, and more evaporation, there is the moisture which is there on our body has been taken away by the blowing winds, which blows totally. And what about in desert area, the flora and fauna, means about the plants and the animals, the flowers, plants and the animals. First of all, flowers and plants, so you will rarely find, you will mostly find plants like cactus and all. Okay, we find cactus and all. And animals which can survive in these desert areas, that is jackal, hyena, fox, scorpio, these sort of animals which can survive in desert areas, lizards, snakes, only those you will find over there. Okay, and because the climate is very harsh, which is not preferable for human beings, you will not find much human beings. Only the people who are born and brought up since years over there, only they stay at the boundaries of it. And which are the two types of people you find in Sahara desert? One are known as Bidonis and one are known as Tuaregs. Okay, Biduni and Tuaregs. These are the two types of tribal people you find in Sahara Desert, and they are also tribals. They go on moving from one place to another. And what is the occupation or the work they do? One is hunting, and by hunting, the skin is, they make use of the skin. They make bells, sleepers, water bags, hats, carpets, and that all. And they also, from leather, they make a robe. Robe means like a coat. This is called a robe, which protects them from the scorching heat, okay, and the winds which are blowing. So all robes, all the people staying over there, they wear robes which is made of leather, skin of the animals. And another thing they do is they rear these animals which are found over there. And children, these people, they stay only in places where oases are there. Oasis means a small opening from where water is available. Then only the people can survive. Now, without water, how will they live? Okay. So this oasis is possible only where you'll find people only where there are oases. Okay. And where oases are there, people also do little bit of farming. They grow little crops like wheat, barley, rice and beans. Okay, in Egypt, in desert area, I mean, cotton is grown, and this cotton is very famous, means country demands a lot this type of cotton. And because this is a desert area, if we do mining, if we dig it, we find lot of minerals. The main minerals that we find in desert areas are iron, phosphorus, manganese and uranium. Got it? But now if you see, because of technology, water can be shifted all the way to the desert areas, and you find people living over there, you find buildings also over there. Got it? Now this is all about the hot desert. Now we talk about the cold desert. Cold desert is the famous the biggest or the famous cold desert is Ladakh, which is in India, in Himalayas. Okay, and it is surrounded by Karakoram range in the north, and in the south it is by which range? By the mountains known as Zenkar mountains. Okay. Okay children, now we talk later about this chapter. Till then, see you. Bye bye.